Hey, this is Chris with Haven Home Lighting. We are here today to show you how we mount a feature light and or our aluminum uplight to a gutter. You would do this for one of two reasons. Either to light up a dormer that's sticking out of your roof, or light up a peak where the uplighting on the ground is blocked by some obstruction of the home. So we are going to get started. So now we're going to tie the feature light that we just put on the gutter to our existing system. We've got an existing system here. We're just going to tie in the wire, and you've got two choices to run the wire. You can either go up inside the gutter, in which case you'd start at the top, drop the wire down the gutter. In this case, this gutter is pretty secured into the drainage system, so we're just going to go on back of it, go up and around on the outside, and then we'll paint what's left white when we're done, so it'll be nice and hidden. Nobody will ever know it's there. So here we go. Just a quick reminder, with any system you should always unplug the transformer before doing any wiring. So that's what I'm going to do here. Especially with our 9 series, power is always supplied to the light, so you always want to unplug the transformer before you do any wiring. After we wire it all up, I'm going to power up the transformer and zone the lights so we can create some special effects. You can always check out how to zone, and we've got lots of videos on our YouTube channel. Follow us and check us out. Thanks for watching.